Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, we'll go over how to add a membership plan as a widget to the storefront. When a membership plan is created, you must add the membership plan to the storefront in order for customers to see your membership details and access the registration form. You can add a membership plan to the storefront using one of two options, a widget or a buy button. A widget will display the membership plan details all on one page. A buy button will display the plan registration form in a pop-up modal once the buy button is clicked by a customer. While both options are effective, I'll be going over the steps of adding a membership plan as a widget to a page on my storefront. Visit our Help Center for steps on adding a membership plan as a buy button. Navigate to the Bold Memberships admin and click Plans. Select the settings gear icon next to a membership plan you want to add to a page, then click Get Widget. In the pop-up modal, copy the code provided in the pop-up modal, as we'll be using this to display the widget on the storefront. Now that we have the widget code copied, you can paste the code on a Shopify page. To do this, navigate to your plan edit page, click the Show HTML button, and paste the code. Once you enter the code, click Save. Navigate to your storefront and view the page where you inserted the widget code. The membership page should appear similar to my example. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold memberships, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.